In this video, we will discuss session code on a Casper network. So what is session code? Session code is the simplest logic you can execute on a Casper network. It requires only one entry point, which is the call function, and it runs within the context of the account executing it. This means that the session code will run with the permissions of the account. To understand session code, we will work with a repository that contains sample session code for configuring an account. For a little background, accounts on a Casper network can associate other accounts to require multiple signatures when sending a deploy. Let's start by cloning the repository. This sample session code will add a new associated key and require multiple signatures for deploys. Note that you can also modify the sample project we created in the first video. Let's review the dependencies we have listed in the cargo.toml file. We have Casper contract, which provides the SDK for the execution engine. We also have Casper types, and this import includes the types the node uses necessary for the execution engine to understand and interpret the session code. You may need to specify newer versions for these grades. Within the contract package and source folder, we'll find the main.rs file containing session code. The session code in this example adds an associated key to the account running it. At the top of the file, we see the following attributes. NoSTD indicates not to import the standard library. NoMain indicates that the main function is not required, since the session code has only one entry point as the call function. We import the Casper contract API and some account-related Casper types. You will need to import other crates relevant to your session code. Now let's compile the session code to WASM. The make file provides us with a shortcut, make build contract. Before installing session code on the network, you can test it locally by using the testing framework described in the next video.